If your Nissan Rogue says the key battery low, key not detected, or whatever else, you can't actually enter your car using your fob because the fob battery is low. So you need to take out the metal key, move this lock up, and then you will get out this metal key and use it to unlock the door using the key hole. So that's pretty easy. Then when you manage to open the door, it will still show you the key not detected because there is no battery or the battery is low. So what you need to do, you need to use your key fob and move it to the button, and it will detect the key even if there is no battery at all. It will detect the fob. It's now saying me that the door is open. And when you do this, you will have 10 seconds to press the brake pedal and press the engine start button to start the car. If you don't do this within 10 seconds, it will lose the connection with the key, and you will again need to make this procedure to move it closer to the start button, keep it for about 2 or 3 seconds, and then you will have another 10 seconds to press the brake and press the start button. So even if you don't have the battery, you will still be able to start the car.